Hello, everybody. It's I again, once again, Sir Bigness at Beers of War headquarters. Got another drink that I wanted to show y'all, and hope y'all like it. Hope you try it. If you do, please leave a note down in the comments. You know, every bar kind of has their signature drink, like the thing that they're most known for. And I really, this being a home bar, don't really have a signature drink. But if I did, this would be it. This is one I call the London Gentleman. We're going to start with our old friend cranberry juice. I don't measure. If you're a mixologist out there and you wanted to give a few of these a try and come up with some measurements, hey, be my guest. It really ain't my style. But we're going to follow that up with some, this is actually lemonade. I just made it in a lemon juice bottle. And of course, it's just generic lemon juice from concentrate. Nothing real fancy. I've made it with fresh squeezed lemon juice and sugar and all that stuff. And it's better. But, I mean, for just drinks purposes, and I imagine if you make this at home, you may splurge on the good stuff. You may not. This is what it is. So we're going to put about half as much lemon juice as we did, or lemonade mixer, as we did cranberry juice. And then our booze, this is probably my personal favorite spirit of all. This is Hendrick's Lunar Gin. I was not a gin drinker until about 3 years ago. And my wife and I, we saw some videos on YouTube, cocktails to make with gin, because we had some gin back here, just some we had bought to make maybe a specialty drink for one, a one-off type drink. And we bought some Hendrick's and tried it. It was amazing. And it's on the pricey side, but you see where that money goes when you try this. This is actually not the primary Hendrick's brand. Hendrick's has probably 4 or 5 different flavor variants, and we have all of them. The Floridora, Neptunia. There are a couple more, and then, of course, the original, just the original Hendrick's. But Hendrick's Lunar, we're going to dump probably the equivalent of a shot in there. This is a strong drink, but the cranberry and the lemon hide it very, very well. So we're going to pop the lid here on our shaker. We're going to give her a shake until it gets nice and cold. And one thing you're going to notice as soon as you're done shaking this is how beautiful this color is. This is a beautiful drink. If you serve this in an opaque glass, something's wrong with you. You see I've got a clear glass here with some ice in it. Let's give her a pour. You can smell that gin already. It hits the nose right off the bat. You can garnish this with lemon peel, lemon wheel, something like that, or you can garnish it with some cranberries if you choose to do so, because it is that time of year. We're in late November or mid-November, getting into the holiday season. Cranberries are everywhere. So let's give us a taste. That's just perfect. That is everything you want in a cocktail. It's simple, easy to make, refreshing, bright, vibrant, and got a little right in the end, little 1-2 combo right there in the end to really tear the edge off. If you decide to make this, please let me know. Let me know if you enjoy it. We're going to have some more drink recipes coming up real soon. Stuff that we've created behind the bar, myself, Beer Ninja, Six Gun, and all the other Beers of War members and things that we have put together. So please stay tuned while we come out with more drinks. And from Beers of War headquarters, it is I, Sir Bigness. If you drink, may you drink with me.